To make them you need beads, hoops, kundans and pins. Firstly, take a bead and attach it to the kundan as shown here using a pin. You can get these type of pins in any jewelry market easily. After you're done, put this aside. Now take your hoop and using a plier straighten one end of it. This is done to insert the kundans. Firstly, insert 2 kundans. Now insert the kundan you made earlier using the bead. After that, insert the last 2 kundans as well. Lastly, twist up the ring with the plier. And that's it, you're done. It is so simple and hardly takes any time. Do try them out and you can use different color beads to match your outfits. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this simple kundan earring tutorial. Do watch my other videos as well and meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting!